A devastating earthquake struck the northwest region of Afghanistan, resulting in extensive damage to numerous buildings and homes. Bodies buried under the debris continue to be found, raising concerns of a potential increase in casualties. According to media sources from Afghanistan, many villages were destroyed by the earthquake. It also damaged their local communication system, which made it very difficult to communicate with people in affected areas. According to the U.S. Geological Survey, two 6.3 magnitude earthquakes occurred 25 miles northwest of Herat city. Several aftershocks also occurred.